Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use CapCut effects to make our video more captivating. So let's get to it. Here I have opened my CapCut application and we're going to apply effects to this video. So the first thing we have to do is click on effect button right here. Then we can select either video effect or body effect. Video effect means that you want to apply effects to the whole part of your video, and for the body effect, it means that you want to apply effect to the part of the body. So I'm going to apply video effects first. Wait, I'm going to select a celebrate category right here. Then okay, and I'm just gonna apply magic transformation for my video, and just click on this checkmark button after we're done selecting the effect. And I'm going to combine more than one effect. So for the second effect, I would like to choose body effect, and I'm going to add glowing lines category. So just tap on glowing lines right here. Then I think the butterfly wings will be perfect for this girl. So I'm just going to tap on butterfly wings and then just click on this checkmark button after we're done. Okay, and we can adjust the position of the effect. For the butterfly wing, I'm going to put right here. Okay, and I'm going to add one more effect. Alright, and I guess the butterfly effect will make this video looks more beautiful, so just select it. Okay, and just click on the check mark after we are done. Okay, and for the color butterfly, I'm going to apply right here and just adjust the length. We can adjust the length by dragging the effect like this. And for the color butterfly effect, I'm going to make it longer as well. Okay, and now it's done. Let's just take a look at the result. Okay, and it's look very beautiful, I think. Okay guys, and that's how we can use effects in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.